Move it, mom style. Move it, mom style. Move it, mom style.
I make table is this one.
Can make anything I want.
I make bed and make furniture.
Slapstick here, spear, radio holder. Yeah.
This one. This one. Yes, and one this one.
Remember that little planer that we had? If we round this edge off and that edge off, then it'll just have a nice look to it. See how much better that looks? And they're keen learning, and more than that, there's a natural ability with the timber and an interest in design. So one thing that we're doing here is to encourage involvement in the design process as well, so they're just not mechanically reproducing pieces of furniture, but each piece is an individual one-off. See, just a little bit, sort of, just a tiny bit there. Many people have little or no furniture at all in their houses, and there is furniture that can be purchased from the local store.
They buy it at the store. The table and chairs, that's no good. This I make. This one is wood, is all right, and it's strong one.
The goal is to skill people up so they can make their own furniture in the future, maybe run their own shop. And also the skills are very transferable here, so just the use of the tools and the whole concept of measuring design, it's transferable to building, manufacturing of any sort, maintenance, house maintenance, you name it, it'd have a very wide spin-off.
Mamma mia! Smooth, it's the one. Strong.